This is Samsung Galaxy M33, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can check how much RAM you have, or random access memory, on this device. So first step is to launch settings, then enter the device care and battery. Here it is. And in here at the respective memory field, you'll be able to see not only how many gigabytes as per random access memory you have in total, but also how much of it is currently either occupied or in use. If you'll open up the RAM dedicated page, you'll also see whether the RAM Plus feature is enabled in your case or not, and for how many, if yes, for how many gigabytes exactly. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.